Here's a simple recipe for guacamole. Your basic ingredients: garlic, you can use powdered; onions chopped fine, again you can use powdered; lemon juice, very important to prevent the avocado from going black. I like to chop in some tomatoes, optional, and of course your avocado. Let's just put it all together, and don't forget the salt. A quick tip for preventing your avocados from going brown if you're using only half and trying to store it in the refrigerator. Number one, leave the seed intact. Something about it protects the color of the avocado. If you've got the skin that you just scooped out from, use that to cover it. Another thing that you can do is just spray some PAM spray over it. That provides a protection layer and prevents the oxidation. Oh yeah, and a squeeze of lemon juice also helps. An easy way to get the seed out of your avocado, just push it. There you go. And then an easy way to take out the content from your avocado, slice it, and then using a spoon, scoop it. There you go. Now you need to just mash it gently with a fork. You don't want to make it too terribly smooth. A little bit of chunkiness in your guacamole is always a good thing. That's it. And then, first off, you want to add the lemon juice because the avocado is going to start browning immediately. So just squeeze in some lemon juice. About a quarter of a large lemon works, or you can get the little bottles in the grocery store, the ready-made lemon juice, and you can add maybe about a teaspoon of lemon juice for an avocado. Mix it all in. Add some salt. A good dash of salt here. And then just add in all the other ingredients. Now, one optional ingredient that I like to add is cilantro as well. So if you've got cilantro and you like the taste of it, add it. Otherwise, again, optional. You don't have to. Let's just add all the ingredients to our guacamole. I should have used a bigger bowl. Mix it all together. If you've got some jalapenos, you can chop them in, or just add some hot sauce, whatever you have on hand. Toss in the cilantro. And let's taste it. So good. Let me grab a chip. I just fried tortillas and made chips since I was out. That is so good. Enjoy.